Hey all, Ankit Kishore this side from Chef Fleet and welcome back to my channel. So this is a bank chart and these are the new levels marked using volume profile and price action. So see, before giving an analysis for tomorrow, let me give you a follow-up of yesterday's video, means what I have told you yesterday. So if you remember what I have told you, that if market open, wait, let me delete this first, okay, wait. So yeah, I have told you that if market open in this particular zone, then if you are non-directional trader, you have to sell this and this put and call, and you have to create this triangle. You have to keep on holding. I know here it has given, wait, it has given a kind of fake out, not a fake out, I would say. For directional trader it was a good move, okay, but yeah, if even if you would have exited here and again took entry as and when it again came back to this particular zone, then I guess you would have got really good target in here. I have taken entry in Nifty. Wait, let me show you my position. Yeah, I have taken entry in Nifty today, and as of overall I have earned somewhere around, wait, somewhere around 19k 20k around. Yeah, don't say this MTM, because this MTM is because of that positional trade which I am having. Wait, I don't know how to change color. Yeah, I think here, yes. So this MTM is showing just 960 of that too of loss. It's only because of this IBL Housing Finance trade which I have taken, okay, and this has been in my portfolio from the last 3 days, and I will keep on holding this. As of now this is running completely good, so I don't have to do any adjustment. As in when any adjustment will be needed, I will definitely tell you in the Telegram channel, okay, so do check the link below. और अगर इन दोनों का लॉस को अगर आप हटा दोगे तो इन टोटल आई हैव बुक समवेयर अराउंड 1920k टुडे, एंड इट वाज क्वाइट अ डिसेंट डे. Why I am showing this, I never have showed you this, but why I am showing this today, because today a good learning is attached with this. Wait, let me tell you about that thing. Wait, see what happened today. I have taken entry in this Nifty. सो निफ्टी में क्या था सीन, आज मैंने यहाँ पे काफ़ी, मतलब यहाँ तक माई पोजिशन वॉज रनिंग क्वाइट गुड, ओके, टिल दिस पॉइंट ऑफ जोन, बट हियर ऑल्दो दिस फ्यूचर चार्ट इज नॉट शोइंग अ बिग डाउनफॉल, बट अ गुड डाउनफॉल हैज़ बीन हैपेंड इन द लास्ट हाफ एन आवर, and because of that I got 2 SL hit, and this only because of the SL which I kept a very small SL in both those cases, and they both got hit, and because of that my MTM from around 24-25k it went to 19k at the end, okay, and I had to book there. So mean I had booked a loss of around 5 to 6k, not only because of this one, mean these 2 SL hit, but also because of some means mess up which has happened in the sensible while taking entries. So yeah, it was quite a kind of decent day for me, but still I think that I could have done good, much better than this, but it's completely okay. Okay, now come to the same thing again, means analysis. Now this was just a kind of learning, okay. So see, now coming to the analysis for tomorrow. What if market, means now I will start analyzing with sideways as I always do, then gap down, then gap up, okay. In this particular case, means today what will be happening, अगर आप देखोगे मार्केट हैज़ गिवन क्लोजिंग समवेयर अराउंड 34,690, राइट. सो अब यहाँ से ये जो जोन है, ये जो नीचे का पार्ट है वो है 590, एंड अपर जो जोन है वो 800 है. तो इट मीन्स टिल अ पॉइंट ऑफ 100 पॉइंट ऑफ गैप अप एंड गैप डाउन इट विल बी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर जोन ओनली, राइट. सो हाउ यू हैव टू ट्रेड, सी इफ यू आर अ डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडर यू जस्ट हैव टू वेट, ओके, वेट. अगर मान लो मार्केट यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी खुलता है, यू जस्ट हैव टू वेट, बिकॉज हियर ऑल्सो इफ इट विल ब्रेक देन इट विल गिव यू अ गुड मूव. हियर ऑल्सो इट विल ब्रेक, इट विल गिव यू अ गुड मूव अराउंड 130-140 पॉइंट्स, एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस ये आपको एक टारगेट देगा 180 पॉइंट 190 पॉइंट्स के लगभग, ठीक है. सो आपको अगर यहाँ पे आप डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडर हो, यू हैव टू कीप अ एसएल ऑफ 90-100 पॉइंट एट मैक्स, एंड यू हैव टू लुक फॉर दिस मच ऑफ टारगेट, एंड यू हैव टू वर्क विद ट्रेलिंग एसएल. And if here market gave a breakout, then you have to take entry with 80 point of SL at max, and you have to look for this much of target which is around 130-140 points. Okay, this is how you have to trade if you are a directional trader. Now what about non-directional trader? See, अगर मार्केट साइडवेज खुलता है तो उस केस में आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक स्ट्रैडल फिर से बनाना है, सेम विच you would have made today, okay, which I have suggested you yesterday, that you have to make 34,600 P and 34,800 see, okay, and you have to keep on holding this till the point either this or this gets broken, and after that too you can hold if you know a bit of adjustment. लेकिन अगर आपको adjustment बिल्कुल नहीं पता कि how to do adjustment, how to means tackle all these kind of fake out and everything, so better कि आप जैसे यहाँ से या फिर या तो ये अगर दोनों में से कुछ भी break होता है, you have to take the exit. Today I'm not going to analyze all three of them individually because as far as I can think of, I'm not expecting a big gap up and big gap down. Until a gap up and gap down of 100 110 points, it is already summarized in this particular zone only, which ranges from 34,590 to 34,800. So that is why I have just told you in a summarized way about what you have to do if you are a directional trader and what you have to do if you are a not directional trader. Okay, so I guess the analysis is done here. Okay, and that's all as analysis. And today in Telegram channel I didn't give anything to means channel because I was a bit occupied. Wait, I was a bit occupied, so I didn't give anything. I just at the end I just gave the conclusion of what happened and what I already have explained today only, now only. Okay, so there is nothing more to tell you about the channel, but yeah, if you want to join this channel, the link is already in description box. I post many charts here every day. On an average I post somewhere around 2 charts, okay, or 1 chart. So if you want to learn the price action in the simplest way possible, then you can join this channel. Otherwise if you also want some trading ideas, then also you can check this channel. Okay, thanks a lot for your time, and one more thing, if you like my content, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.